Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by signing into your Microsoft account as the parent. This links controls to Minecraft on Windows and Bedrock devices. Once signed in, verify the child's account exists and is visible under your family group. Make sure Minecraft editions use the same Microsoft credentials. This ensures rules apply. Now navigate to Family. Microsoft.com/family and select the child profile. That first click starts parental control changes and ties platform restrictions to their gameplay. Next, choose the child and open the Content Restrictions and Privacy and Online Safety tabs to control what they can access. Toggle Multiplayer and Voice Chat off to prevent strangers. Alter, you can join multiplayer games, and you can communicate outside of Xbox Live as needed. Set age-appropriate content and block explicit content to filter servers and marketplace items. Also enable purchase approvals so you receive prompts before any Minecraft store charges go through. That prevents surprise spending. Finally, save all changes and sign out. Then sign in on the child's device and launch Minecraft to confirm rules take effect. Once done, test joining a multiplayer game and attempting an in-game purchase to verify restrictions block or prompt correctly. If something doesn't change, make sure both devices are online, restart the game, and clear app cache. If problems persist, resync the family group or remove and re-add the child account to force policy updates. That usually resolves lingering permission issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.